Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Sam's Vlogs again. Come on, and a short video cooking balatong. Tara, samahan mo ako. There you go. This is balatong. And actually ito yung lalagay ko. This is what I'm gonna put. This is kalkalunay in our native tang. Yan ang tawag po namin. Mas marami tong kalunay kaysa sa munggo. So I would say let's cook kalunay with munggo. It's not munggo with kalunay. Yeah. There you go. Voila. Let's put a little bit of secret of my ingredients right there. Make sure it's soaked. Takpan po natin. And of course, patayan natin to. That's it. And voila. Simple as that. Magluto ng balatong na or munggo na may kalunay, or I would say the other way around, kalunay na may munggo. Alright? So that's all it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Sam's Vlogs. As I said, God bless you. God bless us all. Magandang umaga po. Bye-bye. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Bye-bye.